This is part 5 in our series of viral budget meals that cost only $1 or 5,000 Vietnamese dong per serving. So far, we've made 30 super affordable recipes that taste amazing and look great too. And today we've got another 10 more for you guys. Let's jump right into it. You want something simple, fast, and cheesy? This cheesy egg toast will hit the spot. All you need are 3 slices of bread, 2 eggs, some salt and pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cheese. First, fry the eggs with salt and pepper. It should look like this when it's done. Put a generous amount of cheese on your bread, then top with the egg. Now you have an insanely delicious cheesy egg toast. This one costs only about 1,450 VND. If you're looking for a tasty side dish or appetizer, crispy butter corn is the way to go. It's crunchy, savory, and oh so satisfying. Plus, it's really easy to make. You'll need half an ear of corn, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, and black vinegar for dipping. The trick here is to cut the kernels off at an angle. That way they'll cook faster and evenly. Once all the corn kernels are cut, melt butter in a pan on low heat. Now add the corn, cover and steam for about 8 minutes or until tender. When the corn is almost done, put salt and toss them around. Continue cooking until the corn is crispy and slightly charred. The best part, serve immediately with black vinegar for dipping. This yummy snack costs about 900 VND per serving. Yogurt fruit ice bowl is a refreshing treat to cool down in the sweltering heat. What you'll need is 2 cups of yogurt, 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup of chopped mango, 1 cup of chopped pineapple, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Blend all these ingredients in a blender until smooth. Next, pour the mixture into a bowl, cover, and freeze for at least 4 hours or overnight. The longer it freezes, the firmer the ice bowl becomes. To get it out, run the bowl under warm water for a few seconds, and remove the ice bowl and enjoy this fruity dessert for about 670 VND. And if you want to see the clear version of this recipe, check out the video linked below. Sipping on this peach iced tea is like taking a sweet escape. It has a lovely color, tastes fantastic, and is super refreshing. Plus, it's made with real peaches, and the best part is you can make it from peach scraps. Here's how. Get a whole bunch of peaches, then wash and slice them. Take some time to blend the peach slices with water. Pour the mixture into a pot, bring it to a boil, then add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Continue boiling until the mixture thickens. After that, pour the peach tea into glasses filled with ice cubes, and there you have it. This iced tea costs only 290 VND per serving. Craving something spicy and saucy? These addictive, spicy noodles will hit the spot. What makes this recipe mind-blowing is it only needs 2 ingredients, rice paper and chili powder. First, put 1 pack of rice paper in a pot with 1 liter of water. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Once the rice paper is soft, drain the water and add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Toss the noodles with the chili powder until well coated, and that's it. You have a deliciously spicy snack for around 1,600 VND. Now let's make these crunchy rice paper snacks that look amazing and taste even better. They're super versatile. You can stuff them with anything you like, be it pork floss, cheese, or veggies. The dough is incredibly easy to work with. Roll it out and fill it up, and then roll it back up. Make sure to roll it tightly so it doesn't fall apart in the frying oil. Once you've wrapped all the rice papers, fry them in neutral oil on medium heat. The rice paper is done when it's golden brown and crispy. For a healthier option, you can bake the rice paper instead of frying it. Air frying is also a good alternative. Anyway, this recipe costs only about 3,600 VND per serving. These 3K, 5K street-style bites might look fancy, but they're surprisingly easy to make at home. You'll need ground pork floss, garlic, onions, cornstarch, soy sauce, pepper, and fried garlic for garnish. Start by mixing ground pork with garlic and onions. Add cornstarch, soy sauce, and pepper. Mix well to combine. Now take a banana leaf, lay it flat and place a spoonful of the pork mixture in the middle. Roll it up tightly, tucking the sides to keep the filling in. Steam the spring rolls for 15 minutes. After that, pan fry them on both sides until golden brown. Top with fried garlic, and enjoy this delicious street food for about 3,500 VND. Next, let's whip up these adorable stuffed bread rolls. You'll need a bag of fresh bread rolls, pork floss, cucumber, corn kernels, tomato, and mayonnaise. If you can find mini bread rolls, even better. Cut the bread rolls in half, then lightly toast them. In a bowl, mix pork floss with mayonnaise. Spread the mixture on one side of the bread roll. Now, layer in cucumber, corn kernels, and tomato. Roll it all up and voila, you have a delightful snack for 1900 VND. Let's move on to these savory baked potato wedges. You'll need a large baking potato, 1 tablespoon of butter, salt, and your favorite toppings.
Now wash and scrub the potato.
Then cut it into wedges.
In a bowl, mix butter with salt. Toss the potato wedges in the butter mixture until they're all coated. Arrange the wedges on a baking sheet and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until tender. You can make these wedges even tastier by adding different toppings like shredded cheese, sour cream, or chives. The best part, this meal costs only 1,200 VND per serving. Here's a fun twist to the classic corn on the cob. We're grilling baby corn with a zesty lime and garlic sauce. This dish is not only delicious, but also packed with flavor. You'll need 1 pound of baby corn, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/4 cup of lime juice, 2 cloves of garlic, and salt and pepper to taste. Start by removing the husk from the baby corn cobs. Boil the baby corn for 5 minutes, then drain them and set them aside. Next, mix butter, lime juice, garlic, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Pour half of the sauce over the corn and toss them around. Arrange the corn on a grill pan and grill on medium heat for 10 minutes or until nicely charred. Add the remaining sauce and continue grilling. The corn is ready when it's tender and juicy. This flavorful side dish costs approximately 1,700 VND, and for a delicious dip to enjoy with grilled corn or any veggie sticks. Try our creamy avocado dip. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste. Scoop the avocado flesh into a bowl, then mash it with a fork. Add lemon juice, water, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together until smooth and creamy. This dip is not only delicious, but also perfect for dipping bread slices. At 350 VND per serving, this dip is a budget-friendly snack. So there you have it, 10 more amazing budget meals you can easily make at home. From cheesy toasts to spicy noodles, there's something for everyone. And the best part, each recipe costs only $1 or 5,000 Vietnamese dong. Cooking delicious food doesn't have to break the bank. With these recipes, you can enjoy fantastic flavors without spending a fortune. Thanks for joining us on Quick Budget Bites. We're passionate about helping you save money without sacrificing taste. If you're a student, working professional, or simply love cheap eats, subscribe to our channel for more budget-friendly recipes. Don't forget to drop a like and leave a comment with your favorite recipe. See you next time.